Now something else that came in with Vista, and it's really been refined a lot in 7, is the gadgets and themes. And gadgets are already familiar to people who use different, operating systems like the Mac OS X. But these are just basically little desktop items that are frequently have useful purposes. And let's look at a gadget here. I have a couple on the upper right corner. One is the weather, and all my computers I always put that in there. One of the things you can do is you can expand this, and it actually has a forecast in it. So it shows you what today's forecast in the next 3 days are. And then you can keep it in smaller view if you want, and that just keeps the temperature in place. I live in Hampstead, so that's why it's at 3. And then I just have one here, just real quick. It's just for CPU usage, and this tells me how much RAM I have available, and if something's taking up too much, I can just look at that and see that.
How did you get that up there if I may ask?
I'm going to show you that right now. If I right-click on the desktop anywhere that's not an icon, use the right mouse button, and choose Gadgets, there are some built-in gadgets, and they're right here. Some of these aren't, but this is where all the ones that are built in will be. And there's a clock and currency and RSS feed and calendar and all that stuff. You could pick it. But if you don't like these, there are literally thousands of them online, and they do everything that you can think of. Play the piano, and it literally would go on for pages and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of them. So
how did you get there again? Sorry.
You just right-click on the desktop.
Oh, and then how
Yeah,
do you
right.
get more
Gadgets,
online?
and then right here, get more gadgets online. Okay? And they're all free. I mean, I think I've never really seen any that cost money. There may have been, but I haven't really seen any. The other thing, other than gadgets, is themes. And if I personalize here, I can see an example of some themes. Now, the current theme that I haven't saved it because it doesn't really matter. I can always set it. It's just this theme right here. There are some built-in ones, and there's some extra ones. And what these are is they're slideshows with a color and audio changes. So if you want different sound effects, if you want different backgrounds, if you want the background to change every couple of minutes or however frequently you want, they're all right here. So one click, and my theme is totally changed.